So let me show you how to open your stockbroking account. Many of you have been asking how to do this. And as a matter of fact, this is the very first step to building your wealth in the stock market. Because if you don't have an account, a stockbroking account or brokerage account, you can't even invest. So your first step to investing in the stock market is to open your stockbroking account. The good thing is you can do it online. You don't have to travel anywhere or to go to any office, and it is as easy as ABC. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But before then, let me show you the step-to-step or step-by-step guide to investing in the stock market. Let me show you my book, because what I'm going to show you is actually covered in the book. So the title of this book, because many people have been asking questions about the stock market, I think that somehow this generation got to know a little bit more about crypto and forex than the stock market. Yet the stock market is a great grandfather of all these financial markets today. So you really need to know how it works. So I made a collection of all the questions I've found online that people ask about the stock market, and I produced a very, very comprehensive step-by-step guide that you can actually use without asking anybody any question to begin to invest in the capital market. So let me just show you a few, and as a matter of fact, with as little as 5,000 naira or $5, you can begin to invest and create your wealth in the stock market. So these are the contents. I think I can make this a little bit louder, a little bit larger. So these are the contents. Okay, why I wrote this book: investing is the best kept secret to escaping financial struggle. It really is, because if you can't put money aside for tomorrow, you continue running the loop. Then the 34 things you must know before you pour your hard-earned savings into the stock exchange. And we now take it step by step. Step one is to start with your investment goals and dreams. Why are you investing? So this actually helps you to set your goals and to create your vision board about your financial future, because you don't just start investing. It is good that you actually have a vision board, or that you craft your financial dreams, your lifestyle goals. Step two, what is the stock market and how does it work? Explains it in such a way that even 9-year-old, 10-year-old can get it. Step three is to find a trusted stockbroker. Step four is to open your stockbroking account, and then to buy your first shares is step five. And there are all kinds of useful information there, like the complete list of the companies in the stock market, how you can make big money in the stock market and all that, managing risk, 34 frequently asked questions about investing in the market. So these are all covered. So I will encourage you to get this book immediately after this. But today's job is, how do you open your account in the stock market? First thing is, you must open your account with a licensed stockbroker. My book gives you a list of the licensed stockbrokers, and then you can also find them online. I use FSDH. I've been trading with FSDH for 21 years, so I find them quite reliable, and they're very responsive. So, but there are other very excellent stockbrokers that you can use, and their process is basically the same to open an account. So the first thing is, you go to this website, the fsdhcapital.com. When you go there, you will see a page like this, and you click on create account. Click on create account. It literally takes you step by step, makes it so easy, whether you live in America or you live in Zambia or Ghana or wherever. You can do this. Now, so there are 4 documents you should have before you do this. Just 4 documents. Once you have that, everything else is easy peasy. So you need your passport photograph. You need a proof of identity. It could be your driver's license, it could be your voter's card, it could be your international passport. Then you need a utility bill. It could be your water bill. It could be your waste management, like if you stay in an estate like ours where there are waste management bills. Or most importantly, it could be your electricity bill that's not older than 3 months. And then your signature, that's all, your signature sample. All right, so now you come to click this, that you have read, understood, and agreed to completing this application, and you're giving your consent and all that, to FSDH Capital Limited. Now, so this is the very, very interesting part. On this space provided, it says please provide your BVN. Your BVN is critical to your opening your stock brokerage account. Mind you, this is financial sector and is very, very highly regulated, and this is particularly important to protect you from fraud. Okay, so now I'm not going to put my own BVN in the video, but I've already done that. When you provide your BVN here, it's going to send you an OTP, which is really why it's a very, very good security idea. No other person can get this OTP, so nobody else can open with your BVN. So when you type your BVN here, it sends you an OTP to your phone or to your email that's attached to your BVN. Then once you put it here, you say proceed. Okay, so I've already done that and put my BVN, and then I hit proceed, and they brought me to this place. Welcome to FSDH Capital Account opening form. This thing is fantastic. How many minutes has this taken you? You can do it from the comfort of your home or your office. And then registration date, it picks exactly the day that I put in all that, okay? And these are the things it asks. It automatically brings in all your information that you already have with your BVN. So you take your time and fill all this, the title of your name, your mother's maiden name, your state of origin, all those things that were captured, your phone number, all those things that were captured in your BVN, contact person. Then your employment details, you put that, if you're employed, you put that. If you're self-employed, if you're a student, you indicate that. Your job title, whatever you are called, name of your employer, okay, you put it there. The nature of business. So you fill in all this, and then you fill in your tax identification number. All right, means of identity, you select which one: voter's card, driver's license, international passport, national ID card. Then this is very important, so you put your account number and then your bank details. When you do that, you validate your account. Then you put the details of your next of kin and every other person here. And this is where you now put in your documents. And once you do that, the declaration, you tick here, you agree, and then witness name and all that. Your signature, which you should have in a signature file, basically sign and then scan it. You choose that. And then you're pretty much ready to go. And then you submit. Once you have all the documents and you fill it in there, you're good to go. You're good to go. This can literally take you like 30 minutes, maximum 1 hour. And then you have a stockbroking account. And then, bingo, you're ready to start creating wealth. I hope this helps you, and if you have any further question, just put it in the comment section and share this widely. Share this so that other people can take advantage of this information, and let's build wealth and grow together. Whatever happens, keep showing up, because you have no idea what's coming your way next, and I'll talk to you soon.